It is Saturday, July 21st, 2012, and I'm up in the mountains hiking, and I'm just going to take a quick video. Here's the river that's running down through, and all the trees, and I'm actually on a trail, and it's been pretty hot. I didn't think about it. My friend and I hiked up to a mountain lake, and I didn't think about it until just now. I should have taken a video of it, but I did take several pictures, and it was really pretty. But I'm getting down to the water, and there were some horses that just went by me, 3 horses, so I got some pictures of them, but I didn't think about it until just now that I should videotape some of this. The trail's a little rocky. My friend is up in front of me. She walks faster than I do, and I take pictures and enjoy the butterflies and smell the flowers and eat the berries. And yeah, I actually am enjoying it. So it's really, really nice. I wish now that I had taken a picture of the lake, but it's getting late. It's about 4. Oops. It's about 4 o'clock, and we've got to head back. It took us about 3 hours to hike in. So it's been nice though. There's a little bit of cloud, which is nice because it blocks out the heat of the sun. But I am definitely out in the woods. Walking along the river. You can see it there. This is the trail, so I kind of have to watch where I'm walking instead of recording. There's the river, and it is really cold. Cold, cold, cold. It's actually melting from the mountain. Maybe you can hear the bird. There's some dead wood along the way. Some of it was just trail cut, so people could walk through. Oh, there's lots of pretty butterflies. They just distract me. So it's the end of the day. I thought I would record a little bit because I have battery on my cell phone, but I didn't think about it in time to catch the horse riders. And there's also 2 llamas up here, but they're tied up at the top of the trail near the lake. So I got some pictures of them though, and they're fun. I petted them. One's named Dolly, and the other one is named Chewbacca. And Chewbacca actually fits him very well. I mean, he's the nicest of the 2. Dolly's, they're working on it, I guess, because they've only had her for a year. But they've had Chewbacca for 5 years, so. And people are really nice. The guy told me that I could come to his house and see his llamas anytime, so I guess Idaho's not too bad. Well, look, there is a mountain bluebell that's growing out of the rock. So my battery is about dead, I guess. I'm going to turn off this recording and take a picture. So I'll load it later. Have fun. glad you could enjoy it with me.